Is Kishu the next diamond gem? I'm being serious. I've been doing my research earlier today and I've noticed the price has went up. But can it stay up and continue building? Let's talk about this right now. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Kishu's up 53% of the day. And according to my research, I do believe Kishu will continue to move up. Now, Kishu is one of the things I do have in my Captain spreadsheet, collecting those tokenomics each and every single time. I'll be doing another update here in the next day or so. But the big news today, Kishu's up 53%, now 54% of the day. And I looked up here and I said, okay, what's going on with Kishu? Why is it up 53%? Then I went to the Twitter page and I saw this. How many zeros Kishu will break this week? Now, I did not know or even thinking Kishu was thinking about breaking zeros. Because think about this. Kishu has how many zeros in this price? We have 8 zeros in this price. If it breaks 2 zeros, 3 zeros, that's going to make a lot of people happy. So if I go look at the hodler amount, how many hodlers in Kishu before I continue? And so I'm sitting here like, okay, they're growing 206,726 hodlers. And so I'm thinking here, they're growing very steadily. It's a very steady growth here. And so I went back to their Twitter page. Some people thinking at least 2 zeros could be knocked off. Now, I'm not sure about all that, but I do know that Kishu is moving up for some reason. So I dug deep this time, and I saw the weekly recap from actually last week. And I'm sitting here like, okay, very interesting. Kishu does a very good job of informing their hodlers information. So I looked up here and I zoomed in with both my eyes. And I said, okay, Tenchi will be getting an official website. Tenchi is part of the Kishu ecosystem. So heavily marketed promotion through all channels, marketing Tenchi and Kishu. So I'm thinking a lot of marketing is coming. All right, then I said NFT crate is in the final phase of its testing. That's really good. That's going to be something Kishu is definitely going to be all about. Then I'm like, okay, a trading card game with Kishu, their very own NFT game. The NFT game is hot right now, so Kishu's getting involved into that. And then I start thinking about, okay, one very important thing that we're working on, with Kishu's working on, is heavily right now is exchanges. So I'm like, okay, which exchange they're trying to get on? So I went back here and I noticed if I go up here, I noticed the 𝐄-𝐂𝐴. Let's show 𝐄-𝐂𝐴 that we are a very potential coin and we will be the next gem. So they're looking at 𝐄-𝐂𝐴 and maybe a few others. And if that get on 𝐄-𝐂𝐴, that's definitely going to help with the price, because it's definitely going to have more people to look at Kishu. Now, I kept looking. I'm like, okay, if they get on other exchanges, can it sustain the momentum? And my thing is, they're going to need more than exchange. Burning implication, NFT, growing the actually hodler group, and also, in my opinion, continue to market and can spread the word. Kishu is, to me, is a hidden gem in there. It, to me, is one of the coins I do have in my Captain spreadsheet, because I do like their marketing and I like the fact that they're involved on social media, which is very important. So let's see where this is going. In my opinion, could it knock off a zero? Why wouldn't it by the end of the year? I do predict Kishu will at least knock off a zero by the end of this year. I do believe that will happen because of the interest, and especially if they get on in exchanges, another exchange like 𝐄-𝐂𝐴 or something like that. I believe that will happen and will definitely make the price go to the sky. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next video. Click on the link below. Be a part of the Discord group. Be part of my group, and also be ready for the next video coming out in about, I don't know, 15 minutes. I'll see you on the next video.